Hello fam, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you an app in which you can download to your mobile phone and you begin to make money by listening to music. The interesting thing about this app that I'm about to share with you is that the app works both on Android devices and on iOS devices. So meaning that if you have an Android phone, you can work with the app, as well as if you have an iPhone, you still work with the app. With an Android phone or with an Android device, this app is known as Mode, and with iOS devices, the app is known as Current. So you can go to your Google Play Store and you download it, which I'm going to be showing you subsequently in this video. I have actually worked with this app for the past 5 days, so I'm going to equally be showing you how much I have made on this site for the past 5 days that I've been listening to music on this site and other tasks. And before I go ahead to share my screen with you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by smashing on that red subscribe button and the notification bell below this video, so that anytime a new video comes up, you will be the first to be notified. Go over to your Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone and you type in Mode app. When you type in Mode app, it's going to open. You click on Make Money, Plan and Earn. When you click on it, you take Install. In my own case, I'm taking Update because I already have this app in my phone right here. So it's just going to take some time to install in your phone. So you just have to wait for some time. If you have an iPhone, type the name Current in order to download this app on your phone. After you are done installing, just go ahead and click Open. Then this is the app right here. When it opens, it will lead you to this section, and you need to sign up for an account as usual with any app that you want to start up with. And here, this is the section where you have music right here. So we have trendy musics, you have modes, we have gospel, we have pop, we have rap and hip hop, and so on. There are thousands and thousands of different musics that you can go ahead and listen here. So I'm just going to click on one of the musics and show you how to click on it, and you listen and you make money. So these are the different musics right here. You can select from the playlist that you like the most and you watch. So I'm just going to look for a music from any category. Let me just look for a music. For example, let me play this one. They say Worship Bethel Music Free Chapel, as you can see right here. So when you click on the music now, it's going to play. To know that it's playing, click on this section and it will show you music earning is active. If it's showing that turn off, it means that your volume is at 0. And I earn 8 cent points per minute. So depending on the country in which you sign up or you download this app, you also determine how much points you make per minute. So with the boosters, they are sweepstakers, they are high payout, they are quick payout, and they are videos. They are easy payout, as you can see right here. These are different offers and different tasks that you can do on this site in order to earn points, which you can redeem it, which I will be showing you subsequently. So if after watching a video or doing any tasks here, you will be rewarded some points. And then this is games here. You can go ahead and download any of these games by clicking on Play Now. When you click on Play Now, it's going to take you to Google Play Store and you download the app to your phone, the game to your phone, and you begin to play and you make points. and each and every game that you play has a number of points allocated to it. There's another way in which you can equally earn, which is by referring others to the site. When you click here, it will lead you to this section where they say 5% per friend and 10% of gaming earnings for life. So each friend that you invite to this platform, you make $5, and each of their earnings after playing games, you make 10% of that which they have made by playing games. So you can invite them through WhatsApp, through SMS, through Twitter, through Messenger, and all the like. Okay, how do you cash out your money on this side? When you click on redeem right here, it's going to open up to the section where you will see the different cash out threshold. When you click on gift cards right here, it's going to show you the different points that you need in order to cash out. For example, 9,650 points is equals to $1. 18,750 points is equals to $6. 27,250 points is equals to $10. So the more the music you listen to, the more the games you play on this app, the more the friends you refer to the site, as well as watching videos and doing other tasks that are available on this site, you will be able to make points. And remember that in order to cash out a large amount of money like $10, you need 27,250 points money in order to cash out $10 from this site. So you need to do as many tasks as possible, such as listening to music, playing games, watching videos, and doing all the micro tasks that are available on this site. So how much have I actually made on this site? Let me go ahead and share with you. All right, going back to the app, as you can see here, I have 316.3 points. So I'll click here to show you the details. When you click, you see 316.26 point earn, and you can see the date beside it, 10 of October 2023. When you click on redeem, you see there's no transaction because I've not yet cashed out on this platform, but which I will do very soon, and I make a payment proof video. So just make sure you stay tuned. So let me increase these points. For example, when I click on boosters, I have 316 points. Then I click on video. Let me just watch a video and you see me make 1 point in just seconds. So this is the video right here playing. After the video is done, just watch. You see 1 point. After you watch and finish a video, they will reward you sometimes 4 points, sometimes 3 points. Then let me go back now to my total. When you click there, you see 317. I initially had 316, so just watching this one video has earned me 1 point. So as you can see, this app, you can actually make money by listening to music, by doing other boosters which I've shown you in this video, and also playing games and referring friends to the site, and you make the points which you need to cash out using the different cash out thresholds that I've just shown you. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Equally, go ahead and subscribe to this channel by smashing on that red subscribe button below this video and the notification bell, so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. See you in the next one.